Hi everyone, in this another tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to find the user ID in your KuCoin platform on your phone. So first of all, let me find the KuCoin platform on my phone. Just type in it in the search bar. After that, wait a couple of seconds, and once you're here, you can log in into your account, and after that return to the home page again, like so. And once you're here, you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and as you can see at the very top, here is my email, and down below you can see user ID. And after that you can tap on this icon at the top at right side, and your user ID is completely copied. So that's it. I hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about KuCoin platform. See you next time.